Decidability, a key concept in English language learning. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore an interesting English language concept, decidability. It's a term that's not just vital in linguistics but also in everyday conversation. So, let's dive in and understand what it means and how it's used. Decidability refers to the ability to make a decision or determine a solution. In English, this term is often used in contexts where choices or judgments are involved. It's about the clarity or ease with which a decision can be reached. For instance, when we say a problem is decidable, we mean that there is a clear, definitive way to solve it. In everyday language, decidability might not be a word you hear often, but the concept is widely applicable. For example, when facing a decision, you might ask yourself how decidable the matter is. This can apply to simple choices like picking a meal at a restaurant or to more complex decisions in work or personal life. In linguistics, decidability takes on a more technical meaning. It refers to the ability to determine whether a given statement is true or false within a language's rule system. For language learners, understanding the rules of English helps in making decidable grammatical choices. Let's look at some examples. 1. The decidability of this issue depends on several factors. 2. Her approach simplified the decidability of the complex problem. In these sentences, decidability is used to express the ease or complexity of reaching a decision. I hope this video has shed light on the concept of decidability and how it's used in both everyday English and linguistics. Remember, understanding such terms can greatly enhance your language skills. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.